Dear friends, sisters and brothers of the planet Earth, I really want to attract your attention to a very important point. Today the world has conquered time and space. We can go anywhere, everywhere in this space, in the water, and land is just very easy. You can go by trains and a lot of other communications. The life has become much better today, and these all have been possible because of our scientific temperament, our scientific temper. We have really tried to understand the laws of the nature and use those laws of the nature to really organize intelligently and put into practical applications. Automobiles, you see, all the natural resources starting from the raw materials and the raw petroleum products we have converted into petrol and diesel cars. Now we are making electric cars. Then we have also tried to understand the philosophy, how we can really fly in the air. Aeroplane was discovered by Wright brothers. Dear friends, then so many other inventions, discoveries have really made our life very smooth. Who are those people who did so great service to the mankind? The people were not religious fanatics. They were not conservative. They were not orthodox. They were very intelligent people taking full possession of their mind, controlling and directing to understand the mysterious natural laws and transforming these knowledge with a lot of intelligence into practical application, intelligently and organizing in sophisticated equipments. So the world is so beautiful today. But those nations who were orthodox, conservative, following the ideas and opinion of people who were born thousands of years back, they remain conservative, they remain poor because they could not cope up with the space of the time. India was also a victim of that. Of course, India has a lot of beautiful philosophy. India has 10,000 years old civilization, and that was teaching beautiful thoughts. Treat every creature just like your own soul. Have feelings with them. Treat the whole earth as your own family and think good of all, find good in all, and be good with all. But these cannot make you really the world power. World power needs development of science and technology. And that's why you see the British, they came with a lot of intellectual industrialization and they really dominated the whole world. This was one category who really has the growth of the mind, the intelligence, and still such nations are growing rapidly. America, the land of different people coming from different parts of the earth. Russia and Europe, they developed tremendously. Another sect of people were those who were warriors, robbers, predators. They have the attitude of jungly attitude. With their swords and with their might, physical, they invaded different innocent countries, looted, plundered, backed by certain philosophy, to enslave, to really plunder, to murder, massacre. They also did a great conquest and victories. Two types of people I am talking to you. One type was scientific development. They developed even different wars, ammunitions, guns, cannons, satellites, rockets, different means to really defeat others. Another, they that time didn't have all these, but with their might and their thought and their ideas, based on conquering, looting, murdering, just like the bestial, groveling thoughts. So these two kind of people really rule the whole earth, dear friends. But when the development of the Europe came, the Europeans become the ruler of the whole earth. That's why in India also you see all the invaders, predators, they were thrown away, banished, enslaved, and India became a dominion of the British Empire and remained for 200 years their slaves. Before that, 1200 years they were slaves of some different predators, the robbers, the dacoits and all. I tell you very honestly. I request every countries and all the wonderful citizens, my sisters and brothers, develop your scientific temper. Don't go by opinions of anybody. You have your own brain. Try to know the truth. And truth is universal law, the natural laws, which the scientists developed, discovered, and made your life so beautiful. Don't waste your time in quarreling on the basis of caste, creed, race, religion, and region. These are destructive forces. They are making your mind polluted. They are making the whole earth bloody with wars, cruelty, and fightings, enslaving people, murdering and massacring people. This is a symbol that once upon a time, people were also prehistoric age, living just like lions, tigers, and hyenas. We are now civilized. We have to learn the gospel of love, kindness, compassion, honesty, integrity, truth, justice, peace, non-violent attitude that can really save the whole earth. Forget about all these petty things. We all have to become wise. We all have to love each other. That is the real understanding of the ancient sages of India. That's why they told you, have feelings, shed all your greed, hatred, and dominance just like the lions, and be a civilized human being. I am one such. I love all. I love all of you. You may belong to any of these, your ideas and opinions of the other people. I respect it, but I tell you, try to judge, try to see, is there any truth? Use your own intelligence, wits, and then you come to the conclusion. And as I have tried to understand, and through a lot of meditation, contemplation, and investigations, I have concluded there is only one way of going forward. Love all, respect all, appreciate all, teach all, educate all, if they are willing to become a really very sympathetic, kind, compassionate human being. That will be the greatest success for the mankind. But what is today in this world? They are having different religion, different countries, different nations, but their mind is still the bestial, groveling, ignorant, indolent, thoughtless, and foolish. They are fighting wars. They are trying to destroy each other. They are butchering, murdering, slaying people. Slavish, bestial, groveling people. When you will get enlightened, when you will be really educated, when you will understand that you are very short time on this earth, anytime you can die, why you kill others? Let every creature, 8 million they are in numbers maybe, live happily on this earth. The planet Earth has room for everyone. The world is there to support everyone. Who are you to destroy others? Who are you to hurt and harm others? This is Fakir Yogi Virendra Yogi, understanding the transitory nature of life and the perennial, eternal thoughts of love, affection, kindness, compassion, and non-violent attitude towards every creature. Thank you, viewers.